My name is Ayusraj. I am a student of BSc-IT second year. Today I have discussed about half subtractor circuit. In half subtractor circuit, there are basically two gates is used, XNOR gate and AND gate. The working of the XNOR gate when the both input, when the two and more than input are said to be same. If both input is said to be 0 0 and both input is said to be 1 1, then the output will be true or 1. In AND gate, when the both input or more than two input are said to be only true, then result will be always true. If any input is said to be 0 or false, then result will be always false. Here is the some truth table related to half subtractor circuit. This is the circuit of half subtractor circuit. In this circuit, I am taking one AND gate and one XNOR gate and two switches, and there is a two bulb and one input of and both gate have two input. As we know that any gate required more than one input, expect AND gate, not gate. In this circuit I have basically designed the circuit where the two gate, both of AND gate is connected to the different gate, and in XNOR gate, one input is coming from the switch 3 and one input coming from the switch 5. Similarly, in AND gate, one input is coming from the switch 3 and second input is coming from the switch 3. When both switch is on, then the we are seeing XNOR gate is working, and when second switch is off and we are seeing the second AND gate is working. It means when both is off, then remaining XNOR gate is active, but when the switch 2 is off, then XNOR second gate is working. As we know that about when the both switch is set to be off, then XNOR gate is working, and when the both switch is set to be off, then also XNOR gate is working, because we know that about the XNOR gate of the property. So that's all from my side. Thank you.